how was your experience working with? Because you have very like personal and dare I say intimate scenes with Deepika. Like, you know, your character also is very important in Sumati's arc.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Because one, the kind of learning and the takeaways that you can have from an actor, an artist right in front of you, that was number one. But the second thing I think that eased me out was the fact that I knew that she also didn't know the language. If I could say, due to the lack of a better word or phrase, that was a saving grace for me, because I knew that, okay, this person doesn't know the language. It almost felt like we were starting on the same page. It isn't like that, but it felt, it was what I was telling myself to convince.
Hey, what was your guys' favorite dialogue?
Our complex lo Prativaadini champina tarvata navvuta establishes how he is as a character, and I think for me that dialogue gave me a whole understanding of his world. Can I tell you what I like, the dialogue that I like of yours? Ashwa uncle, wait for me.
But that was the scene ended up getting cut from the movie.
It is, but it still exists.
It exists. The thing is that, like, I feel like the fan base and like everyone knows that, like, that's like Raya. That's like,
yeah.
Towards the fag end of my parts where she says Shambhala Nunchi. Yeah, that because I felt like a rebel saying
yeah,
that.
and the way you turn and how you break that case,
I
and
was
you
just thinking that.
That's my favorite. I just told her today morning. That's my favorite
Like,
dialogue
it was
of
like
hers.
something breaking out of a shell, you know what I'm saying? So I would genuinely want to know, like, what the hardest scene was for you guys to film on set.
Just the action of it and the turning around, and I actually incurred some physical injuries while doing it as well. And I remember with all those harnesses tied up, they were constantly rubbing against my skin, so they gave me a little bit of a bruise which turned into a tear which got infected.
Oh man.
So it got pretty gory and pretty messy, but I think it all paid off in the end.
But for me, when we are in the truck scene, when Kyra and Ajju are together, that was the most difficult scene, because for the first time, when the camera is on you and you don't have much to say, how do you be a furniture piece in a scene? It's almost as if you have to be doing nothing as the character.
I think for me, I have to say one of the action scenes, specifically the one where I flew to Nellore for a solo shot, where actually a lot of it wasn't CGI because we were actually in a desert and there was an actual temple that had been excavated. Down to the temple, there's a dune. So the scene is I have to run down and then hide a little bit, see the raider, and then jump into the temple. I think we shot that scene like 20 times because Nagi is like, it's just not looking natural. The run is not looking natural. And this dune is much steeper than it looks, okay? Like, walking up, I think back up was so, like, I was feeling winded, my chest was hurting. Like, every time, it took about like an hour and a half to do the entire sequence because every time I needed like a 5-minute break.